Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Unclip and remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its arrow pointing up. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.